Hey gearheads, if you've ever tried dropping an LS into a 68 to 72 A body, Chevelle, Cutlass, Skylark, GTO, you know it can turn into a nightmare, real quick. The pan hits the crossmember, the headers fight the steering box, and the mounts don't line up. It can be a total headache. That's where the CPP LS Install Kit with headers saves the day. The kit includes a low-profile retrofit oil pan for perfect clearance, no chopping the crossmember, adjustable motor plates with poly bushings, set your engine where you want it, a transmission crossmember built for your frame style, and check these out. Ceramic-coated long tube headers with 1 3/4 inch primaries. All the hardware's in here too, so you're not running back and forth to the parts store 6 times. Now, let's be real. You could piece this swap together. Pan from one company, mounts from another, crossmember from who knows where. But then you're grinding, torching, and praying it all clears. This CPP kit is engineered to work together. Headers tuck in nice, pan clears the frame, mounts line up. Less fab work, more wrenching, and more time lighting up the tires when you're done. So if you're swapping an LS into your A body and don't want to waste weekends chasing parts, the CPP LS Install Kit with headers is the way to go. Check it out at classicperform.com. And hey, drop a comment and tell us about your LS swap build. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to upgrade your classic car or truck with performance you can trust, just click the link in the description or head over to classicperform.com and check out our full line of suspension, steering, and brake solutions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss a build breakdown, install guide, or performance tip.